Have you ever found yourself needing to copy CSS rules for a specific element in Google Chrome DevTools? It can be a bit tricky, right? Well, today we're going to simplify that process for you. I totally get it. You right-click an element, select Copy Element, and think, great, but what about the CSS rules? You're not alone in this frustration. Many developers face the same challenge. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is there a way to copy all CSS rules associated with an element's HTML? If you've ever wondered the same, stick around as we explore the solution. So why is this important? Understanding the CSS rules applied to an element can help you debug issues or replicate styles elsewhere. Let's break down how to access these rules easily. And don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make your CSS workflow even smoother. To begin, the user should open Google Chrome and navigate to the web page containing the element they want to inspect. Once there, they can right-click on the element. Next, the user needs to select Inspect from the context menu. This will open the Chrome DevTools and highlight the selected element in the Elements panel. Now, to view all CSS rules associated with the selected element, the user should look at the Styles panel on the right side of the DevTools. Here, they can see all the CSS rules applied. To copy these CSS rules, the user can right-click on the CSS rules in the Styles panel and select Copy from the context menu. This will copy the selected rules to the clipboard. Finally, the user can paste the copied CSS rules into their preferred text editor or development environment. This allows them to use the CSS rules as needed. Fun fact, did you know that CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets? It's like a fashion designer for your website, making everything look fabulous. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves using the Styles and Computed tabs in the DOM Explorer. First, right-click on the element and select Inspect Element. Then, navigate to the Computed tab to view all the CSS rules applied to that specific element. Additionally, the user suggests checking out links for exporting CSS for DOM elements and gathering CSS styles across multiple browsers, which could be helpful. Here's that quick tip I promised. Consider using browser extensions that can enhance your CSS copying experience, making it even easier to manage styles. And there you have it. You can now easily copy all CSS rules for any element in Google Chrome DevTools. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips and remember to keep experimenting with your styles.